How to be great at what you do. Timothy Jensen with Jensen Transport in Independence, Iowa. He went to a conference yesterday, and a lot of it was really set on how to hire well, train people well, keep people, and actually have them become really great in your business. Wasn't actually the name of the conference, but that's what I got out of it. What does all that mean? It means one thing, when you're getting someone that wants to come to work every day, wants to learn, wants to be better, wants to make more money, wants to do a great job, that's the person that's going to do well in your organization. It's not the person that's questioning whether they should be there, questioning whether they should be at home, questioning if they should be doing this or doing that. You're not going to get anywhere. If you're that person, you need to start thinking about where you're at in your life and what you need to do and accomplish. If you're still in bed and watching this, guess what? You're probably that person. So what does all that mean? If you want to be great at what you do, you have to be there. Just show up. Get up and show up. Be where you're supposed to be when you're supposed to be there. I don't care if you're going to work a first, second, third shift. It doesn't matter. Be there. Be present. Be present in the day. Don't be living in the past. Don't be living in the future. Be present now. Why? Because if you're focused on the now, everything's going to work better for you. You're going to learn what you need to learn. You're going to get the experience that you need to get. You're going to stay in that job. And how do you be great at anything? Number one, you got to know what your goal is. Number two, you have to start working towards that goal. Number three, you need to continue working towards that goal, even if it's just being at work every day and doing a great job and learning a little bit more every day. And hopefully making yourself less work every day because you're getting better at the job. Things are not supposed to be really hard every day. Why? Because you're supposed to be getting better. We're all supposed to be doing a better job, getting better with our own abilities, getting better in life, getting better with our family, getting better in our jobs. If you're not getting better where you're at, you're struggling, you need to rethink how you're doing it and look at it another way. To be great, you have to be in the job, you have to be trying, you have to be doing it, you have to be trying to find ways that you're doing things that slow you down, make it more difficult. Sometimes it's just letting stuff go. Why am I doing it this way? There's an easier way to get the same result in less time. And some people go, well, I'm paid the same either way, whether I do it the slow way or the fast way. You're just making it hard on yourself. You're really not punishing anybody. You're not punishing the business. You're still going to get paid the same amount. They don't care. Whatever. You're still here doing your job. But it makes it harder on you because you're not very good at your job. Got to learn how to do your job better. And guess what happens when you learn how to do your job better? People look at you and they go, hey, that guy really knows what's going on. I think there's something there. We have these other bigger problems over here that I think they'd be great at solving and getting them so those problems are not as big and not as difficult. And then you start to look like a superstar. And that's really where you want to be. When you want to be great, it's just figuring that stuff out and doing a better job than what people thought could be done. And you can all do it. It just takes time. It takes effort. You need to be present and you need to do the work. So, hey, Timothy Jensen, Jensen Transport, Independence, Iowa. Be great today and have a great day.